a supercharger.
Before?
Nah, this is too slow.
Okay, fuck it. Your face says it all. Oh, hey, I thought you want supercharger?
Nah, the supercharger is way better than this one. Oh, it's so much better. Nah, you know, I don't want a supercharger anymore.
You're saying,
I'll be honest.
this is
Turned it off?
Yep.
We're gonna get a reaction cam. First time being in a turbo Honda. Let's see how it goes. It's got this is raw, just raw. Almost stalled it, but I did it. I caught it. No power steering. It's got like 15 plate clutch. Should be fun. Let's see, we'll get a taste. I mean, the turbo is similar to what I'm going to be running in the S2000. Manuel. No power steering life. Make sure one more time. Oh my days, it's homework. Street car, baby. You know what, that is one noisy ass clutch. We got no fuel. We're running meth. You know, seats are pretty comfy. We're gonna get a reaction cam. First time being in a turbo Honda. Let's see how it goes. It's got this is raw, just raw. Almost stalled it, but I did it. I caught it. No power steering. It's got like 15 plate clutch. Should be fun. Let's see, we'll get a taste. I mean, the turbo is similar to what I'm going to be running in the S2000. It should be great, man. Yo, down police. I didn't want to move your seat. That's
Did you move the seat?
No, I didn't want to.
Good lad.
Just in case.
Roar as fuck, baby! First time in a Honda? Turbo?
First time in a turbo Honda. We'll get some reactions. Sabi on of space?
Yeah, business.
I didn't install it, bro.
He was about to.
Close.
We heard it.
Yeah, caught it. The reaction going there. Oh, the windows work as well. Jammin, got AC?
Sunroof? About 8-9 PSI, is that right, isn't it?
8-9 PSI.
8-9 PSI. Fucking is that it? Yeah, I mean, when we went mapping, the fuel pump went weak. Like it died. So anything above 8 PSI, we try going 15 and then it'll just go lean.
Oh.
So he's like, put a new fuel pump in it, come back.
Yeah, jam on a supercharger.
Before?
Nah, this is too slow.
Okay, fuck it. Your face says it all. Don't be cropping out your face expressions, you know.
MashaAllah.
on his new brakes, discs. I need to do a bit of work. Should we jump it? I was joking. Go on then. Was it crazy? Yeah, you jumped it. The last time I jumped one, yeah, I got in trouble. But this is the whole reason I built it like this, a bit so I can just chill in it.
Like, you know what, it drives me cheap.
It's alright. But you know what? See, you won't know because you ain't drove it, but it's shit down below yet, because we ain't mapped it there yet.
Oh, okay.
We're just making sure that everything works, and then you iron it out. But see that there? Can you feel that?
Yeah, it's long.
That's what the map's all over. Let's see if I'm trying to press. I centipede 90 minutes. Right about it. So you don't have either control over. So it's either you're on or you're off.
Turbo is different.
It is, yeah. Hopefully I converted you. Oh, hey, I thought you want supercharger?
Nah, supercharger is way better than this one. Oh, it's so much better. And that's similar to a 64, 66.
More or less, yes.
Okay. You know, what
I wouldn't even put this on.
What RPM is this booster? Obviously, you say it's not properly tuned yet.
I think it comes on about 4.5 grand, 4 grand. Like it's that full. But obviously you got to be varied with this because obviously it's been a stock engine.
Okay.
Like you can't change colour. What?
That's not my fucking car.
I'm in my mom's car.
Jammin, get the tunes on. I don't even know what the stereo's on. It's probably no. We don't need tunes in this
Something
car.
happened and that's why I flung it out. The stereo was shit on. You can tell up top where it just goes dead, you know, because it's only at 8 psi.
Let's stop.
Why? What's the retail on one of those, pal? But this is the fuel's a bit low, though, and that's why it's not pulling as hard as it's supposed to. But at least you had a rough.
I don't
Just
know.
superchargers can go on.
You know, I don't want a supercharger anymore.
You're saying,
I'll be honest.
this is 8 psi.
8 to 9 psi max.
How much would you go up to? Double at least?
21. I want to be 21, 23. But the thing is though, because I haven't pressed it much in third, you'll understand why. I think it dies a bit. In mid-range it's perfect, it's lovely.
Hey, this car gets some bad looks, you know.
You should see how many looks the Legend gets.
Yeah.
The Legend, people crazy looking at the Legend. And only here.
And it rocks up half an hour later after the noise. Converted. Nah.
I believe 100% the rally shit on this car.
I think turbo's the right thing to do. It has to be. After this.
I don't even want to turn it off in case it doesn't start again.
Turned it off?
Yeah. It was over the bridge. It's not going to pick it up. You got no car behind this anyways. If I put the ignition back on.
These might be pressuring GTRs and twin turbo R8s.
The fucking battery's dead as well, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fucking made it.
What temperature is that?
112 still.
Still? No, that's not reset, is it?
Bleep.
111.
110.
110 again. Well, it must be the rad, man. I think the rad is shot.
This is Big Sag certified. Hood exhaust. You can't have the window down because it absolutely stinks out the car. I approve. I think the engine's missing on this one. Is it? It's hamster powered. Oh, so there's some nice seats in there.